Hi, I'm recording this to help you get online with Screencast-o-matic. So if you go to I'm going to Google Chrome and we'll search for Screencast-o-matic. So you can just about see here. This is the link for Screencast-o-matic. Make this a little smaller so it fits in. There you go. Screencast-o-matic. So obviously I've been there before. You get the Screencast-o-matic. You can just hit this start recording for free. Since I've already been here, I can do that already. Now the video editor that costs like $4 a month. Obviously that's another issue. So you would hit start recording free. I have set up already. So you would open video editor, start recording. You would have to download and install the recorder. Right. The video editor costs money, so avoid doing that unless we have a system for reimbursing you for getting it. Alright, so then I'm going to go into the video editor. Oh, I'm recording already. So there you go. And I guess I can't record myself recording. That would have set up a disruption of the space-time continuum. And then you can open PowerPoint and go through your PowerPoint slides, or anything you can do online, you can do in this program. Right? If you can be online, you can, whatever you can do on your computer, you can record yourself doing this program and talk along with it. Now, the thing is, long videos seem to be a problem, especially with 10 minutes. You really should think about having presentations. Think about a concept that you want to illustrate in 3 minutes. So, do it in 3 minutes, boom, and that's it. Then, when you're done, go back here. When you're done, you click on these things. You click on the file and you upload to YouTube. Now, so in YouTube, oh, there we go. That's what I want to do. Okay, I just figured out how to do that. So in YouTube over here, no, I'm sorry, in Gmail. So in Gmail, you already have a YouTube account. So you go to the YouTube account and Actually, so your stuff shows up in the YouTube studio. You have a channel that's like also stuff you like to watch. So this would be, that's weird. Oops. I've entered some kind of weird zone here. Where are you? Okay, there you are. Alright. Y2. Okay. So the dashboard. So what that was? That was your. Well, this is the studio, right? That's where you manipulate your videos. So if I go to, then under my channel, have my videos. Right, so this is the list of videos that I've uploaded, right? And you can do some editing in here. That is, you can chop out pieces and so on. But that's a story for another day. So what I would be doing is thinking about concepts that you want to present, and it should be 3-minute hits, 5 minutes at the most. And think about what you want to say and then record yourself saying it. Okay, I think that is good for now.